Good evening to all. The next 21 days, I'm going to become world's best C.D.O. That's what I'm going to practice. The takeaways from this training are I'm going to stop my assumptions. What all the assumptions I had, I'm going to stop now. I'm going to start to ask questions and to set a high target, to reach high targets and to promote myself. Yeah. Thanks for the opportunity given for the management, and thanks Dr. Sachin. I'm going to take the habit of readers or the leaders. Yeah, that I'm going to.
Very powerful habit.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Mani.
Thank you.
Mani, you are the best studio. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. B.K. Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.